Central Daylight Time. At 7:18 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Canton, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and half-dollar-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage. Interstate 15 mile markers 524 and 538. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Now let's... Seas will close in the mid-70s. Southeast winds around 5 miles an hour. Significant weather advisory for southeastern eastern continent, Van Zandt, Hopkins, and Range. Frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Seek a safe shelter inside a building or vehicle. The normal broadcast schedule has been suspended.